Oracle's CX Cloud mobile app offers you the tools you need to maximize your selling time. With this role-based app, sales reps, channel account managers, and partner sales reps can manage sales data and complete activities anytime, anywhere. The calendar allows you to prepare for and record the outcome of your meetings. You can review the appointment details and just tap on the client's picture or initials to quickly call and confirm meeting logistics. When the call's done, you can log the call as a completed task. With the related sales context, such as the account and opportunity, you can get all the information you need about your accounts. You can also view all the active opportunities associated with this account. With the Activities timeline, you can get a 360-degree view of customer interactions. The visual timeline presents appointments, call reports, and tasks in chronological order. To prepare for an upcoming meeting, you can review the last call report to see the progress you made on the opportunity since that meeting. And after a meeting, you can quickly create a call report and update the related appointment, opportunity, and contacts in a single-page view. You can type or even use voice to add meeting notes to the call report for easy viewing and sharing. Meeting objectives help you track your progress towards closing the deal. You can track meeting attendance. You can add photos, videos, and recordings as attachments to the call report. You can update the opportunity amount at each product line. You can also add a win probability, a sales stage, and a close date. On the map, you can view leads in your vicinity and maximize your productivity in the field by visiting them. You can just tap on any lead displayed on the map to get directions from your current location. And you can see your progress toward quota. You can check to see if there are any pending service requests on an account. The service incident data comes real-time from Oracle B2B Service. If any outstanding service requests come up during a customer meeting, you can quickly provide an up-to-date status. You can use a saved search created by your administrator in Application Composer. For example, if you want to review all opportunities that you're involved in, you might use a saved search called Open Opportunities Where I Am on the Team. And finally, even when you're offline, you can keep working. For example, if you're out of your service area, you can still create a call report. You can add the meeting minutes and an attachment, and after you save your call report, you see a notification that it will be synced once you're back online. Unsynced changes are marked. When you're back online, you can see that the changes in your call report have been automatically synced. The Oracle CX Cloud mobile app gives you the tools you need to track, update, and manage your sales efforts on the go.